Hey guys, it's Rachel. I'm a Goodful producer and it's Sunday and I'm heading to the farmer's market. I have my Goodful reusable tote bag because I'm trying to save the earth, and I'm gonna go check out what local seasonal produce they have available because I feel like whipping something up today. So let's go check it out. Guys, look at these gorgeous heirloom tomatoes. I feel like I have to make something with these. So my bag also has these cute little produce bags. So I'm gonna use these to put my tomatoes in. Thank you so much. Look at how cute these little tomatoes are. I have to get these little heirlooms too. So I got a ton of gorgeous heirloom tomatoes. My bag is really full and I'm gonna go home and see what I can whip up.